Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 13. Fossil Fuels. Knowledge acquisition. Natural resources are those that are available around us naturally. Examples of natural resources includes air, water, sunlight, soil, etc. Natural resources can further be of two types: exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Fossil fuels are the examples of exhaustible natural resources. Discussion. Jack: Wow, I have got a bike. Susie: But you are not yet 18 years old. Jack: That's why it's not for me, it's for my elder brother. Susie: Then it's fine. Jack: Okay, but you know what? I went to the petrol pump. There a banner is placed that says petrol is an exhaustible natural resource. Use it judiciously. What does it mean? Susie: We will find out by reading our chapter Fossil Fuels. Come Jack. Natural resources. Definition. Those resources that are available naturally around us are called natural resources. Examples of natural resources include air, water, wood, coal, petroleum, natural gas, sand, metals, etc. Types of natural resources. On the basis of renewability of natural resources, they can be of following two types. 1. Exhaustible or non-renewable natural resources. These are those resources that are present in limited quantity in nature, and once exhausted, they are very difficult to be renewed. Examples of non-renewable resources include petroleum, coal, etc. 2. Inexhaustible natural resources. These are those resources that are present in unlimited quantity in nature. They can't be exhausted as they are replaced naturally by natural processes within a specific time period. Examples of inexhaustible natural resources include wood, air, water, sunlight, etc. Critical thinking. Warning: if the usage of renewable resources is irrational, even then they can get exhausted. Fuels. Fuel is the material that stores energy. Its energy can be utilized either by burning it or by altering it to another form. Fossil fuels. Fuels obtained or formed from the remains of dead and decaying plants and animals are called fossil fuels. Examples of fossil fuels include coal and petroleum. Coal. Coal is a hard stone. It is black or brown in color. It is highly combustible. Coal consists of carbon as the main component, along with minor quantities of sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. In air, coal combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Occurrence of coal. Coal is mineral fossilized carbon. Coal is present in coal beds or coal seams deep under the surface of the earth. Formation of coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests and low-lying wetland area. Floods came, leading to the submergement of these forests. Thereafter, layers of soil got deposited over it. This generated both heat and pressure on dead submerged vegetation. Heat and pressure thus converted dead vegetation to the carbonized fuel called coal. Process of formation of coal is called carbonization. The age during which coal formation took place was the Carboniferous age. Types of coal. Depending upon the amount of coal content, coal can be of the following types. A. Peat. It is the precursor of coal. Peat is actually an accumulated, partly decomposed vegetation. B. Lignite. It is the coal of lowest quality. It is also called as brown coal or rosebud coal. It has carbon content of about 20 to 35% and ash content of 6 to 19%. Rest of the composition of lignite is formed by moisture, which is about 66%. C. Bituminous coal. It is dark brown or black colored dense sedimentary rock. It is a soft coal containing tar-like substances called bitumen. Carbon content of a bituminous coal is about 65 to 80% and rest of the part comprises of hydrogen, sulfur, water and air. D. Anthracite. It is the coal of the best quality. It is the highest rock coal. It is harder and glossy too. It contains about 95% carbon content in it. Anthracite burns with blue smokeless flame and it ignites with difficulty. Destructive distillation of coal. It is a chemical process that involves decomposition of coal by heating it to a very high temperature of around 1000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. The products obtained through destructive distillation of coal involve the following. A. Coal. Properties: black color, tough and porous. Uses of coal. It is used as a fuel as it burns without any smoke, so it is a pollution-free fuel. It is used in steel manufacturing. It is also used in manufacturing of fuel gas, water gas and producer gas. B. Coal gas. It is also called town gas or illumination gas. Properties of coal gas. It is inflammable. It is composed of hydrogen, methane, carbon dioxide and other gases. Uses. It is used for cooking. It is effective as a household fuel. It is used for street lighting. C. Coal tar. Properties of coal tar. It is black-colored fuel-smelling liquid. Uses. On subjecting coal tar to fractional distillation, a number of components can be obtained which have a variety of uses, for example, in the preparation of insecticides, explosives, dyes, medicines, etc. Even the residual material left after the completion of fractional distillation is used in the road construction. D. Ammonium compounds. Volatile compounds obtained by destructive distillation of coal are rich in ammonia. On their dissolution in water, they form ammonium liquor. Ammonium compounds are used in fertilizer industry. Petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from Latin word petra meaning rock and oleum meaning oil. Petroleum is also called black gold due to its valuable commercial importance. It is a naturally occurring inflammable liquid. It is composed of a mixture of hydrocarbons and liquid organic compounds that are found deep inside the rocky earth crust. It is formed by dead and decaying remains of organic matter like zooplanktons and algal mass buried under the earth crust. Formation of petroleum. Millions of years ago, dead remains of oceanic organisms got submerged under the earth crust. Sand and clay got deposited over and over. High pressure and high temperature was thus subjected onto the dead and decomposing remains under anaerobic conditions of absence of air. This led to the conversion of dead remains into black fuel, that is petroleum. Occurrence. As petroleum is formed deep below the earth, so it is found deep under the earth together with natural gas. Drilling is done to obtain deeply seated petroleum reserves from rocky area beneath the earth. Petroleum refining. Mineral oil thus received is composed of a number of components having different boiling points, so each substance or component can be recovered at its corresponding boiling point by the process called fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is performed in fractional tower or distillation columns. Different fractions get separated on the basis of their boiling points. The lightest one with lowest boiling point gets separated first from the top of the column, and the heaviest one separates out from the bottom of the column. It has the highest boiling point. Natural gas. Natural gas is formed along with petroleum. Just like petroleum, it is trapped between impervious rocks. Natural gas is basically methane, but small proportion of nearly 5% is also constituted by ethane, propane and ethylene. Uses of natural gas. Natural gas in its pressurized form is used as a very efficient fuel for vehicles. Pressurized or compressed form of natural gas is called as compressed natural gas, CNG. It is a very popular industry and domestic fuel due to its high calorific value and easy transportation through pipelines. It is relatively a cleaner fuel and its products also are non-poisonous, hence it is used as a household fuel. It is also used for power generation and in the manufacture of glass fabrics, steel, plastics, etc. Critical thinking. In India, natural gas fields are located Tripura, Jaisalmer, Maharashtra, and Krishna-Godavari Delta Basin. Continuous review. Natural resources are those which are available to us naturally. Natural resources can be of two types: exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Coal and petroleum are the examples of exhaustible or non-renewable resources.
Like, share and subscribe.